Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today I wanted to go ahead and make a follow-up video to my Resonator and Muffler delete video. I did a video earlier on where I did a follow-up to the muffler delete and what it sounded like inside of the car. So now I wanted to go ahead and do an update on what it sounds like with the Resonator and muffler both deleted, and of course the custom tip that I put on, what that sounds like inside the car now. So let's go ahead and do a couple pulls out on the streets real quick and see what this thing sounds like. First, let's go ahead and see what it sounds like starting the car with the windows up. And now starting the car with the windows down. All right, so first we'll go ahead and do a 0 to 40 with the windows up. That's 40. And now we'll do the 0 to 40 with the windows completely down. There we go, that's 40. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do a 0 to 60 with the windows completely up. Alright, that's 60. And now a 0 to 60 with the windows completely down. Alrighty, so this is about what it's like cruising at 75 on the highway. Let's do a quick rev under this bridge. Woo, sounds pretty good. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the exhaust or the mods that I've done to it, please let me know in the comments down below, and I hope to see you in my next video.